Okay, I'm gonna show you the beginner's level of the couch stretch, and we're gonna do this at the wall, okay? Let's do the right knee first. And I've just got my left knee at about 90 degrees. My foot is on the ground, it's not on the wall or starting on the couch if you're up against a piece of furniture here. We're just gonna start here and see how things feel, okay? We don't wanna jump into having our knee all the way up against the wall with your foot all the way up here if your body isn't ready for it. If maybe you're super sore from a workout you did yesterday, or maybe you haven't stretched your quads or your hip flexors in a hot minute. So let's just, if for nothing else, let's just kind of assess and see where our bodies are at. This is level one. So you're gonna start like so. You're gonna come up nice and tall, and you're just gonna put your hands on your hips. Squeeze the glute or the tush muscles on the right leg. And you may, even just by doing that, feel a deeper stretch in some of the muscles either across the front of the right thigh or deep here on the front of the hip or in the groin. So you're gonna keep those glutes squeezed. And if you don't have any shoulder issues, you can bring that right arm all the way up, side bend to the left. All right. Let's say you may have some shoulder stuff going on. A modification of that, if you still want to do it, you can put your hand on the back of your head. So it looks something like this. All right, so now let's bring some breathing into this, okay? So relax everything, shake it out, and come all the way back up again. Squeeze that right tush. Okay, you may feel a little extra stretch here. If not, that's okay. It's just level one. We're just assessing, or maybe we're starting here because you're like, yep, I feel the stretch. Nice and tall in our posture, and take a big breath in. Bring that right arm all the way up, and breathe out as you begin to side bend in the frontal plane to the left. Breathe in, come all the way back up, and out. That's one rep. All right, try it out. Try a set of 5 repetitions and just holding it for a few seconds and then returning to the start position. Seeing if you can keep your glute engaged the entire time. Also being cautious that, we want to try to stretch in this frontal plane, the frontal plane dividing the body into the front and the back, essentially, the anterior and the posterior part of you. So what'll tend to happen if you're tight in multiple areas, but especially across the front of the chest or the shoulder, you come up like this. Sometimes you can rotate or start to fall forward. So just really try to remain in this nice frontal plane. You'll feel an extra nice stretch here, all the way down to the low back, even across the groin. Try it out, let me know what you think.